Whenever I think of April, I always think of the April showers that bring May flowers. This look is inspired by the rainy days of April, and I'm going to show you how to achieve this look. Once your face is cleansed and prepped, take a brow pencil close to your hair's natural shade and fill them in using upward motions. Then take a brow brush to soften the colors and keep the hairs in place. Taking a gray cream eyeshadow, apply this on your lids with your ring finger. If you don't have this, you can use your eyeshadow primer. Either way, this will prevent your colors from smearing and smudging as much. I prefer to use my ring finger because the warmth of my finger warms the product, making application easier. Using Mary Kay's eyeshadow in Sterling, gently pat a steely blue eyeshadow color all over your lids. This will represent the blue sky. Time to add some rain clouds. Now take a granite gray eyeshadow and apply this along your lash line. Highlight the inner corners of your eyes with a pearly white eyeshadow to bring light into your eyes. For definition, take a black eyeshadow and apply this on your outer V. Swirl your brush in circular motions to add a smoky eye effect. So you have your blue to represent the sky, while the colors of gray, white, and black represent the clouds on a rainy day. Using gel eyeliner and jet black, line your eyes as close to the lash line as possible. You can use a black eyeliner pencil for a softer look. Add a soft, subtle wing on the outer corners of your eyes. Using Mary Kay's eyeliner in Steely, take a Steely gray eyeliner and line your lower lash line. Now take a lash curler and curl your lashes. This will help your eyes appear more open. Take your favorite mascara and add this to your lashes. To add volume, start at the base of your lashes and stroke upwards. Don't forget to add mascara on your lower lashes too. If you notice your lashes are sticking together or your mascara clumps, while the mascara is still wet, use a lash comb to gently comb out the clumps and separate your lash hairs. Check your makeup, and now that our rainy day eyes are complete, let's complete the rest of the look. I'm using a peachy pink blush onto my cheeks. This will soften the boldness of my eyes. Starting from the corner of your ear, blend your blush down like this. Finish the look with a soft pink or peachy lip gloss. I'm taking my favorite shimmery clear gloss to my pink lips. This, for me, represents the sparkle and the shine of rain. And now you're finished. Good luck, and remember, there is always sunshine even after the rain.